In this video, we're going to show you how to fix your Windows license will expire soon on Windows 11. So there are a few fixes, the first of which is to restart File Explorer. So right-click on the Start menu to choose Task Manager to open it. Go to the Processes tab, as you can see here, and find Windows Explorer and right-click to choose the Restart option. Fix number 2 is manually enter the product key. So press Windows plus I to open Settings. Go to System and then Activation, and then click the Change button that is located next to the Change Product Key. As you can see here, after that, just enter the product key that you have, and then click Next. And actually, those are the two options that you have right now. You should have a free version if you started with Windows 10. If not, there are some internet online stores that offer a digital key for Windows 11, and those are very, very cheap. But you have to keep in mind that those imprint on the motherboard, meaning if you change computers, you cannot use the same key. So it's just for one computer. If, for example, you buy a new one, you need to get another digital Windows 11 license key. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you like it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. We'll see you in the next one.